Hello everyone and welcome to another FXCentrum trade idea for the day. For today I decided to cover Nasdaq 100 and I see potential for the downside rotation. So Nasdaq 100 is trading at a very critical level around 22,000 mark 74, and I will just point that we had a swing high in mid-February around that level and around mid-December last year. So we are just reached that level, and I see potential for the downside development on this particular market. I will speak and go through the reasons behind. So we sitting at a very important pivot level, and here, if you go to the lower time frames, you can see that market just did some kind of reversal. We have here rejection bar there. If you go to the lower time frames, you can see that market is losing the moving averages. It's tried to reclaim this, and it seems like it's fading now. So intraday charts are also suggesting that further downside is very possible. The divergence in momentum is also present. You can see here the divergence in momentum. So seems like there is a more chance for the lower prices from my perspective in Nasdaq 100, and the potential for the downside rotation and rejection. So I will go to the lower frames to try to put a sell trade idea. So I will put, this is a reversal kind of setup, obviously, so I will put a short position tool. At the moment, and Nasdaq is trading at 22,071. And then in terms of the protective stop, so let me go to the daily time frame and see. So we have high around 22,226. So put above that 22,226. So probably 22,200, let's say 30 mark. That'll be a protective stop. And then from my perspective, a good potential objective can be around this area, which is almost 3 times bigger versus initial risk, around 21,620. So this will be a potential for the 3 times bigger versus initial risk. The market can rotate back into the 21,610 mark. The divergence in momentum reversal, the very key and important pivot level, and basically market failed this morning to rebound and bring more buyers in this area here. So I can show you right here. So this was a potential initiation from buyers, and then it was a market traded lower. So there is a potential for the further downside development on this market. So that will be all for this FXCentrum trade idea for the day. Feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel, leave the comments below, and don't forget to check about 1,000 euros non-deposit bonus by FXCentrum. Take care and speak to you soon.